everybody? It's me, our homie, Super Sniper 2000. Today, I'm with my cute dog, Dan. You mean my dog, Dean-Eater? Which is going to be on Alex's YouTube channel. And then I'm with Wobbly and Choppy. So these are my cuties. So these are my doggies. And they're really, really cute. And this is Military Kid 1451. And then Chop right here. Isn't he cute? Isn't he a little cute guy? He was born on, he's only about 5 months. And we got Daniel, who's 4 years old today. Yeah. And we got cute Grunt over here. If you want to hear his cute grunt. Everybody, did you hear that grunt? Did you hear that grunt, everybody? Want to hear another grunt? Well, he's a new cute grunt, right? Want to hear? Oh, and is she cute too? Are you cute? I am wobbly. Post it in the comments. Is it really cute? Like cute. And then we go cutie choppy, choppy chop. Yeah. He's just a little furball. And then Dan. I am the dog king. We call him Coyote Man. And then we got Tricky. He's a mother to Chop. And are you just cute? Are you just cute? Are you just a cutie? Oh, and she's pregnant. Be the Chop. Right there. Last night, he humped. He humped. Like, He humped.
His own mother.
His own mother. So we call that puppy porn. But that's not what we're going to be showing you today. But, just are they cute? Now we're going to call this Puppy Nature. Puppy Nature 1. And we'll do more Puppy Nature. So this is Puppy Nature.
Cutie nature.
This is just Puppy Nature of the cute Chop. But in the other Puppy Nature, we're gonna do Dan and then Jack. Look at that, the famous Chop. Want to say hey to everybody? Choppy? Puppy Nature. That's right. Oh, and then now we're going to move on to Daniel. Puppy Nature. That's the next Puppy Nature. See y'all guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, and a big shout out to Stefan Scherer. I watch all of your videos and I subscribe to you all as your first subscriber. And then we got Choppy right here. Got Key Chop. And then a shout out to Diesel Videos and Military Kid 1451. They're desperate for subscribers. And I'll show you my dog. Yep.
It's the one that's doing.
And that's Jack right there grunting. Where's my other puppies? I have to go find my other puppies. Okay, I think I'll just watch Puppy Nature 2. Wait, Puppy Nature 1. I haven't made Puppy Nature 2. I'm trying to find. Let's try to find them. Not right there, not right there. There's them. Oh, I know where they are. So, see you in the next video. Bye. So, dab for Super Slumper 2000. See you on the next video of Minecraft of Puppy Nature 2. Bye.